Chapter 2, Lesson 6, a hands-on lesson where we're going to use partial products and the distributive property. So they've given you this icon. You can go into Tools, okay, so that you can draw there. It says, Darnell and his 4 friends went to an ice skating rink and bought sandwiches. They divided the total cost and found that each person needs to pay $17. What was the total cost for the ice skating and sandwiches? So we're going to find 5 times 17 using our area model, which again is hearkening back to some of our 4th grade strategies. So we broke 17 into 10 plus 7, which is why this is yellow and this is green. We're separating out the 10s and the 1s. So 5 times 10 is 50. 5 times 7 is 35. So we multiplied 5 times the 10 and then 5 times the 7. So now we're going to add the partial products. And what I like to do is just write them here. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. But we can do what they want. If they want us to write 50 plus 35, we're still going to get 85. So the total cost for ice skating and sandwiches was $85. When you use partial products, you are using a property. A property is a rule in mathematics that can be applied to all numbers. The property that you applied above is called the distributive property. We will learn more about this property in the next lesson. So we're going to try it here, and then I will let you go back to your teacher to talk about your math once we finish the try it. So we're going to multiply 7 times 56 using the area model. So you can see we wrote 7 here on the left side, and we broke 56 up into its expanded form, 50 plus 6. So 7 times 50 and 7 times 6. Well, that's 42. And 7 times 5 is 35. We have 1 0 on our factor, so we need a 0 on our product. And what that looks like over here, this is our area model, this is our distributive property. 7 times 56 is the same as 7 times 50 plus 7 times 6, which equals 350, because we did the math, and 42. 7 times 6 is 42. Now, let's add those up. 2, 9, 3. And that equals 392. So 7 times 56 is 392. Okay, I'll stop there and you can discuss the rest with your teacher. Thanks for listening.